What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be unboxing the Fall 2020 FABFITFUN box. So I've had the FABFITFUN subscription for about a year now, and I still love it just as much as I did with the first box. It's a variety of different products, which is what I like about it. So it's not just beauty products, but you get accessories, you get kitchen tools, you get cool glasses, things like that. So I'm excited to open up this box. I do know a few of the products that I got since I selected them, but the rest are a surprise. So I'm unboxing with you guys, and there are no sneak peeks. Let's cut this sucker open. So the FABFITFUN box always comes with a little magazine. It tells you about the products that are can I speak? It tells you about the products that are inside, and just little fun articles, how to style stuff, recipes, stuff like that. So I don't want to see the products in. I want it to be a surprise. It also usually comes with coupons, which is super cool. So it comes with a coupon for Bright Sellers, which is a little wine subscription company, and then HelloFresh, which is a meal plan dinner subscription type of situation. So that's pretty cool. Okay, we got some good stuff. I'm excited. So first up, we have the NCLA So Rich Cuticle Oil. So I bite my nails, which is the worst thing in the world, I know. So maybe this will be beneficial to me, or maybe I will give this to a friend. So this cuticle oil retails for $18. Next, I have the Spongel Infused Buffer. So this has like body wash built in it. I actually got another one, I think like the last box, and I have yet to use it. So now I have two, and I need to try it out. This is in Sweet Cedarwood and retails for $16. So next is the Beauty Crop Glow Milk. So this is a liquid highlighter, and I'm actually gonna swatch it for you guys. It says it has coconut oil in it too, which is interesting. Here's the highlighter, has a good shimmer to it. However, I think it's a little bit dark for me. But maybe if I mix it with a little foundation just to get like an overall glow, I'll have to try that out. This retails for $19.50. Next, we have the Daniel Stone Pumpkin Spice Room Spray. Aw, this is cool. So this just gives you fall vibes in your room. We're gonna sniff, of course. Guys, I don't even like pumpkin spice, but this smells good. This like screams fall. So the magazine says that it is a blend of pumpkin, cinnamon, and vanilla. So if that helps you guys kind of get your own idea of the whiff of it, it's so good. And it retails for $36. So this is actually pretty expensive. I wouldn't spend $36 on a room spray. I'm a Febreze kind of $5 gal. So this is the Dr. Dennis Gross Pore Perfecting and Refining Serum. So this is actually one of the products I chose. I've heard very good things about this brand. That's why I chose this product. I'm not sure if you're supposed to be, even though it's a serum, I'm not sure if you can use it like as a primer. Yeah, this might be something that gets a little tacky, so you might be able to use this as a primer before you put your foundation on. This is also a very expensive product and retails for $65. I chose this product too, and I'm so excited. Because everything is virtual now because of COVID, I have been having so many issues just staring at Zoom all day. Like, it drains me, my eyes hurt, it's just so frustrating. So I got these blue light glasses, and I'm obsessed. It has this really cute, like brown, leopardy kind of print. I'm wearing a headband, so it's gonna look funky, but oh yeah. These are so cute. So these will actually protect your eyes when you are on the screen. So when I'm editing videos or when I'm in class all day, I'm definitely gonna use this. And these actually retail for $45. Next, we have a water bottle. So this is a really nice water bottle. It comes with a little case. It's a glass water bottle, kind of like a teal blue color. And it's really nice. So I always take around this little travel cup for my water. However, whenever I put it in the side of my book bag, it like spills out because of this little opening. So this is nice because I have a nice lid for it. The only thing I'm not a big fan of is the color. It's a beautiful color, but I'm just not like a blue kind of person. I'm more like black, white, pink. That's my jam. But I will be using this. And this retails for $35. So the last product that I actually got to choose as well is this cute little book bag. I don't know how to pronounce the brand. I think it's like Botkier, New York. So this actually retails for $100. So it's a pretty pricey bag. And it's just a cute little book bag. I like having the book bags instead of the purses so that I don't have to like carry it around and worry about it. I like just having it on my back and not having to stress. So this is a really good size too. It looked a lot smaller on the website, so I'm happy that it's this big because you can fit a decent amount of things in here. It also has adjustable straps as well, so that's nice depending on how high or low you like your book bag on your back. So that is my fall 2020 FabFitFun box. It was well over $200 and I only spent $50. So I'm gonna leave a link below on how to register for FabFitFun. So if you are interested in getting products like these, sign up because the next box will be coming in just a few months in the winter. Thank you guys for watching this video and I will see you next time.